Plant FAQs, Philodendron Florida Beauty Variegated. Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Furbu here, and today we're diving deep into the world of the stunning Philodendron Florida Beauty Variegated. This beauty boasts multicolored, serrated leaves, adding a unique touch to any indoor space. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newbie, I understand you might have questions. So, let's address some of the most common ones about caring for this captivating philodendron. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. How much light does my Philodendron Florida Beauty Variegated need? This beauty thrives in bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a sheer curtain. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, while insufficient light can hinder variegation and growth. Can I place it near a window? Absolutely. An east-facing window gets the morning sun, which is perfect for your Florida beauty. South-facing windows get harsh afternoon sun, so consider sheer curtains for diffused light. North-facing windows might not provide enough light, so monitor growth. How often should I water my Philodendron Florida Beauty Variegated? The key is to find the balance between moist and soggy. Water deeply when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely, and never let your plant sit in water. Does my Florida Beauty need filtered water? While filtered water is ideal, tap water usually works fine. However, if your tap water has a high mineral content, it can cause leaf discoloration. If you notice this, consider switching to filtered water or letting tap water sit overnight to allow chlorine to dissipate. Does my Philodendron Florida Beauty Variegated need fertilizer? Absolutely. During spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month can promote healthy growth. Opt for a fertilizer with a slightly higher nitrogen content to encourage variegation. In fall and winter, reduce or stop fertilizing as the plant's growth slows. How can I tell if my Florida Beauty is under-fertilized? Pale leaves and slow growth can indicate a lack of nutrients. However, be cautious. Over-fertilizing can damage the roots and cause leaf burn. Always follow the recommended dosage on the fertilizer label. What humidity level does my Philodendron Florida Beauty Variegated prefer? This tropical beauty thrives in high humidity, ideally around 60% or more. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray with water can help increase humidity levels. Consider a humidifier if your home tends to be dry. What temperature range is ideal for my Florida Beauty? Aim for temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing your plant near cold drafts or vents, as this can cause stress. My Florida Beauty's leaves are turning brown. What's wrong? This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or sunburn. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering schedule. Move the plant away from direct sunlight if necessary. My Florida Beauty's leaves are drooping. What's the issue? Droopy leaves can indicate underwatering, excessive heat, or lack of light. Ensure proper watering, adjust the temperature if needed, and consider supplementing light if necessary. How does the Florida Beauty Variegated compare to the regular Florida Beauty? The main difference lies in the leaves. The Variegated boasts stunning splashes of cream, yellow, and green, while the regular Florida Beauty has solid green leaves. Care requirements are similar for both varieties. Is the Florida Beauty similar to the Philodendron Birkin? Both plants have beautiful variegated leaves. However, the Florida Beauty has a more prominent serrated edge and a wider range of variegation colors. The Birkin's variegation tends to be more defined, with white and green patterns. Philodendron Pedatum Variegated versus Florida Beauty. The Pedatum Variegated is like a drama queen. Its leaves boast incredible variegation, a mix of deep green and creamy white. It's breathtaking, but high maintenance. Those white parts seem extra sensitive to light. Too much sun? Leaves turn crispy. Not enough? The variegation fades. It's a constant balancing act to keep this diva happy. The Florida Beauty, on the other hand, is more chill. The variegation here is a gorgeous blend of green and chartreuse yellow, with a more forgiving nature. Sure, it might not be as dramatic as the Pedatum, but the vibrant yellow adds a sunshine-wide touch to any room. Plus, it seems to tolerate a wider range of light conditions, making it a less stressful houseplant companion. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Philodendron Florida Beauty Variegated thrives and brings its unique charm to your home. Remember, Consistent care and a watchful eye are key to keeping this tropical beauty flourishing. Happy planting!